Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of applying to British Management University using our online application system. Let's begin. First, you need to create your BMU account. Go to your application portal and click on Register. After entering your basic information such as your full name and email address, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Next, it's time to choose the program you want to apply for. Let's look at the Foundation program. Find it on the list and simply click Apply button. After that, you'll begin the application form. Start by selecting your program again, and then fill in your personal information including your name, date of birth, passport or ID details. After that, provide your contact details and current address. Then you'll be asked to upload proof of English proficiency. If you already have an IELTS or APTIS certificate, please upload it at this stage, as it's a required part of your application. After this, you'll need to enter details about your previous education. Before submitting, double-check all your information is correct. Finally, click the Submit button, and that's it. Your application is fully complete. So don't wait, apply now and take the first step towards your future. We can't wait to see you at BMU.